don't break, we bend. We don't stop, we ascend. We were born in exhausting prayer. Diesel in my blood, revolution in the air. Chasing the horizon, never standing still. Every mile's a battle, every road's a thrill. Sweat on my skin and fire in my chest. The engine's my heartbeat, I never rest. Tires hum hymns on a highway hymn sheet. Every turn's a promise, every stretch a heartbeat. We don't fall, we rise. We don't quit, we defy. Yeah, we were born in exhausting prayer.